In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to connect Replit to Uptimerobot. We'll start in Replit. Open your browser and head to the Replit homepage. Once you're in, look for the highlighted area that takes you to your projects. Click that to view your workspaces, then choose the specific project you want to keep an eye on. This should be the project that serves a web page or API endpoint, because Uptimerobot checks a public URL to know whether your app is up. Inside your project, you'll want to grab the public link. You can do that by clicking Republish if you need to make your latest changes live, or use the small chain or link icon to copy your published URL directly. Make sure the link is the publicly accessible one, typically starting with HTTPS, not a local preview. A quick tip here. Paste the link in a new browser tab to confirm it loads without errors. If the page opens successfully, you're ready for monitoring. Now switch over to the Uptimerobot dashboard and sign in. On the main screen, click the New button to start creating a monitor. You'll see a setup or onboarding panel appear. Paste the URL you copied from Replit into the address field. Uptimerobot will usually recognize it as an HTTP or HTTPS monitor automatically. You can keep the default settings for now. The goal is simply to have Uptimerobot ping your Replit URL at regular intervals so you're alerted if it ever goes down. When the URL looks good, click Create Monitor. Uptimerobot may present a couple of optional onboarding steps, such as configuring notifications or exploring features. You can go through those if you like, or simply choose Skip to continue. Next, confirm everything by selecting Finish Setup. After that, choose the option that says something like, "Nah, get me to dashboard already," to jump straight to your monitoring overview. Back on the dashboard, you should see your new monitor listed. Give it a moment for the first check to run. You'll soon see a status indicator, recent response times, and uptime percentage. If it shows up as up, you're set. If it shows down, revisit your Replit app, republish if needed, and confirm the public URL opens in a browser. Keep in mind, if your Replit project sleeps when idle, Uptimerobot may briefly report downtime when it wakes. That's normal behavior for sleeping apps. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.